In this video, we're going to explore the world of free AI tools versus paid AI tools. I will list the advantages and disadvantages so that you can better understand which one might be right for you. And if you do end up liking this video and finding it helpful, make sure to hit the like button below. Now let's dive in. Here are the top free AI tools. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that offers a conversational interface for interacting with humans. It's designed to understand and respond to natural language inputs and can generate human-like responses in many different languages. ChatGPT has gained immense popularity due to its ability to provide information and complete tasks as instructed, making it a valuable resource for developers and researchers working on natural language processing projects. It's important to note that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it does have limitations. ChatGPT doesn't have access to real-time information and can sometimes generate incorrect or misleading responses. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT remains an impressive example of natural language processing and continues to be widely used in the field. OpenAI Image Generator is a cutting-edge AI tool that allows users to create realistic images from text descriptions. With its advanced generative capabilities, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and interact with visual content. The model is trained on a massive dataset of images and text, allowing it to understand the relationships between words and concepts and generate images that accurately reflect user intent. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use regardless of their technical expertise. Whether you're a designer looking for inspiration or a developer building a visual application, OpenAI Image Generator is a powerful tool that can help you bring your ideas to life. However, it's important to note that the model has some limitations. It can sometimes generate images that are not suitable for all audiences, and it's essential to use it responsibly. Despite these limitations, OpenAI Image Generator is an exciting development in the field of AI and has the potential to change the way we create and interact with visual content. Jasper's free trial is a fantastic opportunity to test out the platform features before committing to a paid plan. During the trial period, users get access to Jasper's suite of AI-powered tools, including its famous text generator, image generator, and template library. This allows users to experience the power of Jasper firsthand and see how it can benefit their workflow. But it's important to note that the free trial is only available for new users, and it has a limited duration, usually ranging from a few days to a week. Additionally, some features may be restricted during the trial period. Despite these limitations, Jasper's free trial is a great way to explore the platform's capabilities and see if it is the right fit for your needs. Adobe Firefly is a fantastic AI tool that has been making waves in the art community. It's an open-source text-to-image AI model that was trained by Adobe using a combination of public and private datasets. One of the standout features of Adobe Firefly is its general pre-prompt, which allows users to generate multiple images based on a single text prompt. This feature alone makes it stand out from other text-to-image generators. Additionally, Adobe Firefly is highly customizable, allowing users to adjust parameters such as the number of images generated, the aspect ratio, and the seed value. It also boasts high flexibility, allowing users to use their own models and pre-trained checkpoints. Overall, Adobe Firefly is a powerful and versatile tool that is sure to impress even the most seasoned AI users. Wondershare PDF Element is a versatile tool that offers a range of features for working with PDF documents. It allows users to easily edit text, images, and other elements in a PDF file, as well as annotate and mark up documents for review. In addition, PDF Element makes it simple to convert PDF files to other formats such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. One of the standout features of Wondershare PDF Element is its OCR capabilities, which allow users to extract text from scanned PDF documents. Another useful feature is the ability to merge and split PDF files, making it easy to organize multiple documents into a single PDF or split a large PDF into smaller files. Wondershare PDF Element is available for both Windows and Mac OS and offers a variety of plans to suit different user needs. Crayon is a fantastic tool that leverages artificial intelligence to provide a range of editing capabilities for images, videos, and audio files. It offers features such as background removal, object tracking, and automatic color correction, making it a versatile tool for content creators and video editors. One of the standout features of Crayon is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to use even for beginners. Additionally, Crayon offers a range of templates and presets to help users achieve professional-looking results quickly. Whether you're looking to create social media content or produce high-quality videos, Crayon is a powerful tool that can help you bring your creative vision to life. Grammarly is a fantastic tool that can help you improve your writing in various aspects such as grammar, spelling, and style. It uses AI and natural language processing to analyze your text and provide suggestions for improvement. Whether you're writing an email, article, or any other type of content, Grammarly can help you ensure that your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. One of the standout features of Grammarly is its ability to detect and correct even the most subtle grammatical errors. It can also help you avoid common writing mistakes, such as using weak verbs or overusing adverbs. Additionally, Grammarly offers a range of other features, such as a plagiarism checker and a tone detector. Stable Diffusion is a powerful text-to-image AI model developed by Stability AI and the University of Texas at Austin in collaboration with Runway AI. It builds upon the success of previous text-to-image models. Stable Diffusion 1.5 offers improved image quality and a wider range of capabilities. Stable Diffusion is a free and open-source model that can be used for both commercial and non-commercial purposes. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text and image pairs, allowing it to generate realistic and detailed images from a wide range of input prompts. One of the key features of Stable Diffusion XL is its ability to generate images in different styles, including photorealism, illustration, and painting. It can also produce images with specific characteristics, such as a certain color palette or aspect ratio. And now here are the top paid AI tools and their costs. Midjourney is a popular AI-driven platform that allows users to generate images from text descriptions. It uses a deep learning algorithm to create unique and often surreal images that have gained a lot of attention online. Users can choose from a variety of packages that offer different levels of access and features. The basic package starts at just $10 per month and provides 200 monthly credits, which can be used to generate images. There are also options for more credits and higher quality images for a higher price. Midjourney has a very active community of users who share their creations on platforms like Reddit and Instagram. The platform has also been used by major brands like Nike and Netflix to create promotional materials. Jasper is a popular AI-powered content planning and creation tool that helps users generate blog posts, social media posts, and other types of content. It offers a variety of templates and tools for creating content quickly and efficiently. A monthly subscription to Jasper costs $59 and includes access to all of its features and tools. This price point makes it a relatively affordable option for businesses and individuals looking to create high-quality content. Jasper also offers a free trial so users can test out the platform before committing to a paid plan. Overall, Jasper is a powerful tool that can help users create content quickly and easily. Crayon is a subscription-based service that offers a range of AI-powered editing tools for images, videos, and audio files. It can be used to remove backgrounds from images, track objects in video, and much more. Crayon offers different pricing plans to suit different user needs and usage levels. For individuals, there is a personal plan that costs $49 per month and includes access to all of Crayon's features and tools. There is also a team plan for businesses and organizations, which offers additional features such as team collaboration and custom branding. Adobe Photoshop is a popular image editing software that has recently incorporated AI technology. It offers features such as object selection, image generation, and automatic image enhancement. Subscription plans start at around $21 per month and include access to all of Photoshop's features and tools. This price point makes it a relatively affordable option for individuals and businesses. Photoshop also offers a range of plans to suit different user needs, including plans for photographers, graphic designers, and video editors. Wondershare PDF Expert is a comprehensive PDF solution that offers features for editing, converting, and securing PDF files. It also includes AI-powered tools, such as form recognition and smart search. Pricing for PDF Expert varies depending on the features and platform. For example, the desktop app is available for a one-time payment of $69, while the mobile app is available for $19.99 per year. Overall, PDF Expert is a powerful tool that can help users manage their PDF files more easily. Microsoft's Designer is a graphic design tool that uses AI to help users create professional-looking designs. It offers features such as automatic image generation and design suggestions based on user input. Designer is available as part of Microsoft 365 subscription plans, which start at around $5 per month. This makes it a relatively affordable option for individuals and businesses. Nightcafe is an AI-powered design tool that helps users create logos, social media graphics, and other design assets. It offers features such as logo generation, design templates, and collaboration tools. Pricing for Nightcafe is not publicly available, but they do offer a free trial. Finally, we have Canva Pro, which is a subscription-based graphic design tool that offers AI-powered features such as text to image generation and design suggestions. As of this recording, Canva Pro costs $15 per month. This makes it a relatively affordable option for individuals and businesses. Canva Pro also offers a range of plans to suit different user needs, including plans for individuals, teams, and enterprises. So there you have it, folks. Now you know about the best free AI tools and the best paid AI tools and their costs. Hopefully this video has been helpful and you learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.